cash content.
God have mercy upon us.
And I was busy contenting, but it's just one station, so I'm going back there. Was nice staying here, but we are moving. Lego. I actually like the other option better. The room, the view, the bed, everything is just so. We are gonna pick. I'm gonna pick and then give you guys the room tour of my other room where I'm moving to. The view here wasn't bad too. I think I showed you guys when I moved in, but I still didn't like it. The lighting here is so bad. I don't think I've actually sat down, greeted you guys, none of that shit. But if you've watched up until to this point of the vlog, hi G Squad, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leletie. I am currently studying / living in China. So basically I just vlog about my life as a black girl living in China. So I'm currently in Guangzhou. I think the other reason that I haven't sat down and spoke to you guys, there's so much noise. My room is next to where construction is going on. But if you're in China, you already know that construction takes place 24/7 anywhere in this country, regardless of which city. Today is what? I came here on Wednesday. Today is Monday. Yeah, I've just been living, taking each day as it comes. You guys, I'm slowly getting back to my vlogging, vlogging energy. The thing about vlogging is when you stop, for me, when I stop and then try to get back, sometimes I don't even have that energy. There's a lot that I could have vlogged with you guys since I've been here, but I just keep on saying, oh, I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. It's just that right now I'm going to go get my nails done. So I don't think that is something you guys would want to watch. You guys see what I was talking about? So much noise. Anyways, I'm waiting for my ride. Finally, motherfucker. Kish content. Shanda pa. Bermaratona kista. Guys, I'm looking for this place where I'm going. I first asked him. He's also lost. Now the security guy is helping us. Guys, we got lost, but he's helping me again to find the place. Yeah, I'm tired. I'm even still there. Sisha. 好，谢谢，拜拜。你好。I'm waiting for my taxi. I'm trying to go to an African restaurant spot that I know which is safe here in Guangzhou. Life is not easy for girls in Guangzhou, especially if you're not from here, Men are always gonna be men. There is harassment. They're trying to talk to you left, right, center. I'm done with my nails. I don't know how I feel about them, but yeah, whatever. This is the reason why I like to put stick-ons, because what the heck was that? I did put stick-ons when I was in the plane, but they don't stay for a long time. Anyways, back to the food spot. I know this food spot. It's less chaotic than the other one than this street called Xiaobei. There are also food spots there. So I'm not even gonna vlog you guys. I'm just gonna go to that restaurant, buy my food, wear this face, and I'm out. I also don't really know what I want to eat. I like egusi, but I've heard enough of egusi. Maybe I'm just gonna try and eat something Zimbabwean. Yeah. Hey guys, did I mention that the weather is changing? The weather here is nicer than Chongqing though, but like it's getting more colder by the day. Let me show you guys around. Guangzhou is just lively. There's something about Guangzhou that feels like home. I can't explain it, but yeah. I got this is expected. Jesus, man, didn't disappoint. It's hi, fine girl. Fine girl. How are you? I got my food, but I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get to my room because it's dark here anyways. Yeah. One thing about China, they will build, they will design, baby. It's beautiful. I'm gonna try to show you guys tomorrow like daylight because it's so beautiful. Oh, here. Damn. When I left, the weather was not this cold. Thank God. This one is on one. Home sweet home. Yeah. Guys, let me show you the view. Damn, I actually have a lot of, I ate one chocolate. I have a lot of snacks here. And these biscuits, they're really nice. Yeah. Let me show you the night view. I showed you guys the day view, and your girl is washing every day. Let me switch on the AC and show you guys what I got. These lights are too bright, unfortunately. I don't want my lights to be too bright. Yeah. The drummer. Damn, hell no. Okay, fine, whatever. Ooh, it's a jolofina.
You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it.
It's a form of jolofina. I still like jollof rice. I like that they even put salad. It's okay. And there's fish inside. Vegetable soup. There's supposed to be beef inside.
God have mercy upon us.
This is fufu, ipap, ischwala, swallow, curry, whatever the name is where you are coming from. So that's all, and good night. I'm gonna take a shower, then eat my food off camera. I'm thinking of shooting a story time since we're in Guangzhou and talk about my experience with Guangzhou men. The girl is done eating, and I just wanted to come up here tell you guys another thing I love about China is convenience. I literally ran out of my body spray. I realized it when I got out the shower. Guess what? I only had to take my phone, 2-3 taps, and boom, delivered. Also, my Android charger died. Guess what? 2-3 taps on my phone, boom, delivered. This kind of life suits me. I like soft life. This girl likes soft life. Yeah. She said, this is my charger. Oh. No, I think my charger is my spray. This is a lint remover. You know, you guys, like, so you know how like sometimes you have to buy things for a specific amount for them to deliver. That's what happens most of the times. So I just ended up picking some stuff, but yep, that's what I was talking about. Soft life.